Hello my dear viewers, and today we are again back at the residency of Balcones that is located about 5 minutes by car from Las Terrenas. This is a very clean and prestigious residency, and the people that live here are pretty well off. Now, property in this residency has a very high ROI. People rent out here a lot of units, sell them, so it's a very good investment. Your typical unit goes here for about $250 to $300 per night. Now, one of the biggest draws of this residency is because it is located near the ocean. I mean, literally right across the road, and you have the beaches and the ocean. Plus, here in the residency, you have the restaurant Porto. The residency has its own beach, gated beach, so no tourists will be there besides the residents of this residency. Residency itself is pretty big, so you have a lot of space here, a lot of territory. You have also kids playgrounds, several pools, a lot of parking space, and it is guarded 24/7. So in order for me to film this unit for you guys, I had to get an agreement with the residency itself, so they would give me a permit to come here. All in all, if you were to describe this residency in this unit that I'm about to show you in one sentence, I would have to say this is a unit of the luxury segment that has everything included. Units are rarely put up for sale in this residency, and so today I got an opportunity to show you guys 2 units in this residency that have just been listed up for sale. I would like for you guys to pay attention to the fact that these units are very big. The surface area of these units is 1,825 square feet, and the price is $320,000 US dollars. So less than $200 per square foot. Now, of course, this is an exclusive offer. This is a one-time deal. So enough of the talking. Now let's have a look at what they look like on the inside, shall we? So I think we should start with the terrace, and we have a majestic view right in front of us. Here we have a little garden plus a swimming pool out there in the distance. I have to also point out to you guys that this pool is divided up into sections. You have the kiddie pool, the kid area, and then farther out you have the adult area. So this whole residency is landscaped. You have a lot of greenery here, as you can see for yourselves. And there's a big staff of personnel that look after everything, make sure everything is kept up. This residency was built with the best of materials in mind. This is a high quality development project, and it was built in a very modern style. Now, this residency itself isn't brand new. It is 10 years old, but it is in pristine condition, and it will stand for many years to come. So here we are on the terrace, and you can see for yourselves this is a pretty big and spacious terrace. Now, having a terrace area is very important in the Dominican Republic because that's where a lot of the people spend most of their free time, sitting out there and enjoying nature. So here we have a dining area on the terrace. So here we have a lot of shade plus the netting. So everything comes in with this. Right in front of us, we have a very large and spacious living room. I'd like to remind you guys that the surface area of these units is 1,825 square feet. Now this unit is going up for sale with all the furniture included. You can see for yourself this is some very good furniture here. Also here, if you pay attention to the ceiling, we have a very nice chandelier. So in this unit we have an open layout with the kitchen going into the living room as one big whole room. But first we'll have a look at the living room, and then after that we will have a look at each room and bathroom separately. So here's the living room, and all the furniture, like I said, is included. It has a very nice layout here. Now, one of the upsides of having this type of layout is that here in the living room, it could be a multitask room. Here you can have just a living room, movie theater, a work area, a relaxing zone, anything you want. So here we can also see in the corner that the owners have made themselves a little office area work, like with the chair and table you see right here in the corner. And this is a common feature in the many units that I've shown you guys, that there's just not enough space, an extra 20-30 square feet for a little work area. But here you can see the unit is pretty spacious, so you have enough room for everything you want. Also here in the kitchen we have a granite countertop. Everything in the kitchen is included, all the appliances, everything is new. We have a very big refrigerator. All this is built and produced by the Viking company. And you have a gas stove, oven, everything included. Everything is new. And even the microwave is a Viking microwave. So yes, I guess the owners have very specific tastes. Also, this shows the way the owners treated this unit. They put everything they had into it, so you do not have to worry about the quality of the materials here. Right here in the kitchen, we have a separate room, and I think this is a very comfortable place to put this room. This is the pantry and the storage and laundry room all in one. So right here, right away, we have a washing machine and a dryer. And right here, we have a separate room that is used as a closet. So for all your extra clothing and your extra stuff, this is a wonderful storage space. So you can see here, the owners store all their extra clothing, everything, all their extra stuff. So this is what this room is meant for. Also here, you can dry your laundry. Of course, here we have a window also that lets in the airflow, which is very important that any unit or house has as many windows as possible because it lets in airflow and that combats molding and all this other bad things that can happen to any real estate here in the Dominican Republic because of the tropical climate here. So in this unit, we have 2 bedrooms, and I like to mention, guys, and see, you can see for yourselves that it's very light in here. A lot of natural light is coming in. Also back there we had another little storage area. Now just have a look at this bedroom that is in front of us. Look how much light you have in here. Air fan, also air conditioning, everything is included. And I must add, the windows right here are open, a nice breeze is coming in, and it's pretty cool in here, so you really don't need the AC on, but it's up to you guys. So right here below us, we have access to the other part of the green area, the little park that's located in this residency. Plus out this window, we get to see some greenery in the other parts of the complex as well. Now we're going to have a look at the bathroom. Here we have a storage area for this bedroom with all the closets. I must add that this is a very big closet, and here is a very interesting layout design option. So here we have the sink right in front of us, and right here to our left we have the toilet and the shower separately. And this is very common here in the Dominican Republic. A lot of the units have their own individual layouts, which is pretty interesting once you get to studying all the units. So a clean, compact, full bathroom, everything that you need, plus it has a window which lets in the airflow, which is also very important, like I mentioned before. So all in all, a basic, standard, very good bathroom. Let's keep on going, shall we? Like I said in the beginning of this video, the residency of Balcones is considered one of the more upscale residencies here. And you can see for yourself that everything here is thought out in the layout and the design. Now, also, I'd like to mention that each bedroom has its own bathroom, plus we have a guest bathroom. Here we are in the guest bathroom. Just a standard half bathroom, nothing really special. And I think this personally, in my opinion, very important that each unit has a half bathroom because each bedroom has a bathroom, and I think there should be a guest bathroom, but that's just my personal opinion. I know a lot of people in the US and in Canada also have this type of layout in their housing and in their condos and apartments, and I think this is the right way to go. I'm not a developer, and let's keep on going and looking at the unit, shall we? So here we are in bedroom number 2, and you can see for yourself, this is also a lot of light in here. There's a lot of space. Air is coming through from the window. It's very light. It's a very beautiful bedroom. Right here in the corner, we have a golf kit because the owner loves golf, but it's just a separate fact. Now, for all of you people who are golf fans, there's a lot of courses here. You can come play and enjoy yourself. The Dominican Republic is a place for people who love sports, not just golf, any other sports, swim, sports related, traveling, climbing, everything is included, so you'll find yourself here. No worries. So here we are in the second bathroom. So here we have a very nice, interesting design, similar layout as was in bathroom number 1. Everything is new, everything is compact, plus you have the window for the airflow, which, like I said, again, I will not get tired of repeating this. Is very important here. So nice bathroom, nothing really special. Let's keep on going, and right here in this bedroom, I personally like that it has a lot of natural light because light makes your life happier and healthier, in my opinion. Plus, it helps keep the apartment and the unit itself living longer for you and serving you a long time because you won't have any issues with molding. Now, let's go over the points. 1,825 square feet, $120,000 US, all the furniture included. But besides all that, the most important thing here is the location. The residency of Balcones is a very prestigious residency right beside Las Terrenas. It is located about a 5-minute drive outside of Las Terrenas. That's 5 minutes outside of the center of the city, not the outskirts. And here it's very quiet, very peaceful. It's just like paradise. Everything that you need is located right here. I also have to add that this is a very family-friendly location. You can let your kids out here if you have any, and they can wander around, play, walk around. Everything will be all right. This is a guarded and gated community. You have security here 24/7. This is just very peaceful and quiet here, very beautiful, as you see for yourself. So all in all, this is a wonderful place if you want to rest and relax and enjoy yourself and be on your own, or with your close friends and your family. At the same time, it is in a very key location. You have access to everything within 5-10 minutes. So all in all, I think this is a great opportunity. If you are interested, all my contact information is in the description below. Like I said, I think this is a wonderful deal considering everything that comes in with this unit. I think on a 10-point scale, this is a 10. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to my Telegram channel where I post all the up-to-date and latest news concerning the real estate markets here in the Dominican Republic. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you next time in my next videos. Goodbye.